say that we remember you. Sorry that those days are gone. You came out of the blue. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving, the way she's gotta go. I guess she's got a reason, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I'm feeling, maybe get a second glance. No, I gotta get used to another living next door to Alice. I saw her today, I saw her face, it was a face I loved, and I knew I had to run away and get down on my knees and pray that they go away, but still they begin. Needles and pins, because of all my pride, the tears I gotta hide, but still they begin. Needles and pins. Oh, love is alive, and so it begins. Foolishly laying the hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us, stumbling in. Wherever you go, whatever you do, you know this reckless father of mine following you. So she cried just a little for a few dollars more. She lied just a little like she's done it before. She'll take it, she'll fake it for a few dollars more. She'll show you her heart and she'll show you the door. You know she'll die just a little for a few dollars more. Even fly just a little like she's done it before. She'll take it, she'll fake it for a few dollars more. She'll show you her heart and she'll show you the door. So if you think you know how to love me, and if you think you know what I need, and if you really, really want me to stay, you got to lead the way. Oh, I don't know why she's leaving, the way she's gotta go. I guess she's got a reason, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I'm feeling, maybe get a second glance. No, I gotta get used to another living next door to Alice. Mexican girl, don't leave me alone. I got a heart as big as a stone, and I need you, believe me, to be here and love you tonight. Mexican girl, I want you to stay. You know my heart is longing to say that so long as I live, I will always remember the one that I call my Mexican girl. Her skin was soft as the velvet sky, and her hair was shone in the moonlight. And when Smokey to play when the night turned to day and I held her tight. And she looked at me with her dark brown eyes and she whispered,
Hasta la vista.
I don't know what that means, but it sounded so good, so I kissed her. Mexican girl,